Everybody's high on consolation. Everybody's trying to tell me what is right for me. Yeah. My daddy tried to bore me with a sermon, but it's plain to see that they can't comfort me. Sorry, Charlie, for the imposition. I got the strength to carry on, yeah. I need a drink and a quick decision. Now it's up to me who I will be. She's gone, I better learn how to face it. She's gone, pay the devil to replace her. She's gone, and she's gone. Oh, what went wrong? Get up in the morning, look in the mirror. I'm worn as a toothbrush hanging in the stand. Yeah, my face ain't looking any younger. She's gone, I better learn how to face it. She's gone, I pay the devil to replace her. And she's gone, what went wrong? In the city, let the carbon and monoxide choke my thoughts away. And pretty bodies help dissolve the memories. There can never be